All right, so it is mom box swap time, and this year the mom box swap is hosted by Anna over at Just Making It Work. Anna is a productivity guru just like myself, and she talks about all things productivity and how we as moms can just make it work. So definitely check out her channel. I will have her link in the description, as well as the person who I got in the box swap and who I sent my gift to, but I'll tell you who that is at the end. Now, it is time for me to open my box. Okay, so if you don't know about the mom box swap, we moms get like a secret person, and we follow them on all social media platforms, maybe talk to them a little bit behind the scenes and just like get to know them a little bit more. They don't know that we have them. And then we have a $30 budget, and we treat them and we gift them and we make them feel special. And it is just such a wonderful time to not only get to know another fellow homeschooling mama, but also to just treat a mom who's in the thick of it, who's pretty much doing the same things that you're doing, and make them feel loved and special. So, who got me? Let's see. Opening it for the first time right now with you guys. How cute! Who's this artsy person? How cute! I wish my handwriting was that nice. It's Wendy. Just a card. So in here, it's just wrapping paper, or you know, what do you call that? No, wrapping paper. What do you call that? Tissue paper. Tissue paper. Look how pretty! It's so pretty. Happy or holiday blessings. So pretty. All right. Ryan. Okay, so this is like one of my best friends. This is one of my best friends. Okay, so it says, this Christmas, may you be blessed with the joy of his presence and the quiet peace of the season. It says, I have been so beyond blessed to get to know you this past year. I'm so thankful for your friendship. Watching you mature in your faith has encouraged me in mine, and the way you have loved and served my family during this tough season has been a true gift. I pray that in the midst of the busyness, you stay anchored in the cross. Love you, girl. Ryan. The Lord will bless his people with peace. Psalms 29:11. I love me some Ryan. Now, Ryan is, like I said, she's actually one of my best friends. And this past year, we have just grown so much in our friendship, but she is a mom that has truly encouraged me in my biblical womanhood, and just watching her go through so much this year, and to do it with such humbleness and such peace and love has been truly an honor of mine. So, love you. Anyways, Ryan, you are too cute. You are too, guys, look how cute this is. Look how cute. I hope I'm getting this on camera. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. Okay. Number one, they're numbered. I should have numbered mine. I didn't number mine. Number one, for your always frozen toes. It's true. It's true. I have fluffy socks on right now. My toes are always cold. Oh my goodness. All right. Ryan. Oh, these are thick. yes. Yes. Oh, I feel so Christmassy and official. Like these the socks that like you get when you're in like the cold places, right? You got the like these types of patterns and stuff. I love it. I love it so much. You don't like I live in warm socks. Number 2. Despite its ragged condition, this is a treasure to me. This started me on my journey of understanding and implementing biblical womanhood in my life. Ragged appearance, what does that mean? First of all, Ryan, you need to give me some penmanship courses because your handwriting is like ridiculous. Do you guys see your handwriting? Just like a typewriter wrote it. All right. Oh my goodness. Ryan. Let me be a woman. Guys, just got goosebumps. I've been wanting to read this book and like, I'm doing 75 Hard and I'm doing a bunch of books and Katie from Life in One Day, my other best friend, was talking about like this book and I keep putting it to get it and I haven't gotten the chance to get it and thank you, Ryan. Thank you. She talks about this book so much and I've been really wanting to get this book, so thank you, friend, and I love it. I love it. All right. One of my favorite scents. I hope you like it too. How cute is this? Oh, she's so cute. Ryan, I feel bad opening up these things because you are just such a good rapper. When do you have time to do this with all with the baby? She just had a baby. I don't know when she has time to do all of this. Ryan, one of your favorite scents is very sexy, Ryan. What? Very sexy, really. Fierce, hot, and very sexy. Oh, it does smell good. Mmm. All right, I'm down. Oh, yeah. I'm sure I know somebody who loves very sexy, so we want to put that to the side. All right, let's see, number 4. I had to add to your teacher uniform. Ryan, I'm trying to change it. Like, I'm trying to be cute. Not this, don't look at this, but I'm getting a new wardrobe, okay? Oh my goodness. I don't have the best wardrobe, guys. But I'm gonna update it. Ryan's starting me on my updating wardrobe. You guys get to see it first. It's a cute, what is it? It's a good day to teach tiny humans. Aww, I love it. And it's my favorite color. I know, it's gray, but still, I love it. I love it. Aww. Thank you, Mama. It is a good day to teach tiny humans. We need to perspective is everything, and I love the constant positive reminders of what we do, of why we do what we do, and how to do it well. So, all right. The next fry run is on me. All right, y'all. So I may or may not have an addiction to McDonald's French fries. It may or may not be a daily problem. Oh my goodness. See, when you're a pescatarian, there's only so much you can eat, and fries is a staple. Oh, it's McDonald's fries. Yes, I'm definitely gonna be using this tomorrow, but you know, shh. Ryan, thank you so much. I absolutely love and treasure every single thing that you got me. Ladies, in the description, I will have Ryan's video as well as the playlist of all the moms and the wonderful mom that I sent my video to, which is Kristen over at My Cathedral Garden. So definitely check out what I got her. And she's just amazing. She's the sweetest. So definitely check out what I got her, and check out who got Ryan and what they got Ryan. So until next time, bye.